Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. Donald Trump's re-election has already started reshaping U.S. immigration policy. One of the first impacts is a recent federal court ruling striking down President Biden's Keeping Families Together policy. This policy, which was aimed at helping undocumented spouses of U.S. citizens to obtain legal status without leaving the country, was blocked by Judge J. Campbell Barker of the Eastern District of Texas, who was appointed by Trump. This decision directly impacts hundreds of thousands of people who are hoping to build lives in the U.S. with their loved ones. To understand what this policy intended, let's look at the concept of parole in place. Under Biden's proposal, undocumented spouses and stepchildren of U.S. citizens could have stayed in the country while they applied for legal status, without the need to return to their home countries. This approach would prevent lengthy separations and avoid the risk of a 10-year ban from re-entering the U.S., a penalty that many applicants face under current laws. American Families United, an advocacy group for immigrant families, expressed heartbreak over the decision. President Ashley Diaz-Avedo described the ruling as shattering the hopes of many families who have spent years contributing to communities and the economy, building lives with their U.S. citizen loved ones. This ruling not only affects individuals, but is also a major shift away from policies aimed at uniting immigrant families within the country. In the days to come, the U.S. will likely see more policy shifts aligned with Trump's approach to immigration and foreign relations. This new chapter for the country brings both challenges and uncertainties, especially for immigrant families, advocates of democracy, and global allies. As the U.S. moves forward, it's important to stay informed and aware of how these policies may continue to evolve. Thanks for tuning in to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show.